kitchen light flickers on, and you see a shadow dart under the fridge. It is a moment of pure frustration. It makes you want a solution that works instantly and without any mess. That is exactly when the ads for the Vermix Pulse Pro find you. They promise a world where you never have to see a roach, a mouse, or an ant ever again. The pitch is incredibly seductive. You just plug this small device into an outlet. It supposedly sends out silent waves that turn your home into a fortress. No more sticky traps. No more smelly poison. No more paying hundreds of dollars to a guy in a jumpsuit to spray your baseboards. It sounds like the ultimate life hack for homeowners. But we have to look past the shiny graphics and the bold headlines. The reality of ultrasonic pest control is far more complicated than the ads suggest. Scientists have been testing these types of devices for decades. The results are almost always the same. Most pests simply get used to the noise. It is like living next to a busy highway. At first, the sound is annoying. After a week, you barely notice it. Roaches and mice are incredibly adaptable creatures. They are not going to abandon a source of food and shelter just because of a high-pitched hum. The marketing for this specific brand claims to eliminate everything from mosquitoes to bedbugs. Those are very different creatures with very different biological systems. The idea that one frequency can solve every single pest problem is a massive leap of faith. When you look at the website, you see those familiar logos of major television networks. It creates an immediate sense of trust. But if you dig deeper, you rarely find any actual evidence that those networks endorse this specific product. It is a classic tactic used to build unearned authority. Then you have the customer reviews. Many of them feel artificial. They lack the specific details that a real person would include. They feel like they were generated to hit all the right keywords rather than to share a genuine experience. Even more concerning is the physical product itself. If you spend 5 minutes searching online marketplaces, you will find nearly identical devices for a fraction of the cost. It appears to be a generic product that has been repackaged with a premium price tag. This soft, lovely voice is perfect for animation. They use high-pressure sales tactics like countdown timers. They want to make you feel like you are missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime deal. This urgency is a way to stop you from doing your own research. If you have small pets, you need to be even more careful. Hamsters, gerbils, and guinea pigs can hear frequencies that humans cannot. What is a silent tool to you might be a source of constant torture for your furry friend. The company says it is safe, but independent studies on small animal hearing suggest otherwise. Then there's the issue of the refund policy. Many buyers have reported that trying to get their money back is a total nightmare. The hoops you have to jump through make the process feel designed to fail. You end up stuck with a plastic box that does not work and a lighter wallet. Real pest control is hard work. It involves finding entry points and keeping your space clean. There are no shortcuts that come in a little white box. Before you buy into the hype, remember that if a solution sounds too easy, it usually is. You deserve a home that is pest-free, but you also deserve to keep your money away from products that rely on big promises instead of big results.